Hello friends, now I am talking about here related part of the waterways. So as I told that the foreign trade was connected with the waterways, generally we have seen that waterways somehow easy and un traffic jam hurdles, and in waterways there is no traffic jam hurdles is creating problem for us. So in that way waterway is even though slow but become more important. Here I am discussing the uses and the importance of the waterways. Earlier I discussed about general waterways, and now here I am discussing about waterways importance. So we have seen that waterways are cheaper, easy, sometimes very useful in terms of less cost effective. So it is a cheaper in all the way and profitable also, time saving also, where there is no possibility of road connectivity. It is time saving also. So people use the waterways as required for routine transportation. Now we can talk about Venice. Venice is completely dependent on waterways based in streets. In Venice you can see waterways are only possible. Markets are on the floating water. Means there are so many scenes which shows importance of the waterways. And now waterway is ultimate option for us where there is no connectivity of road. So understand this, the transit through waterway is the last option, right? And thereafter we can talk about now pipeline service. So pipeline service is useful for liquid transportation, for gaseous transportation, where there is a fluid waste, water to carry, and petroleum product as well as the natural gas. You can count so many things. In Denmark, milk is passing through pipeline. Means there is pipeline connectivity is given for the milk transportation. In India it has not been developed, but water, oil and gas is present day transportation facility connected process through each other. So understand that there are so many possible ways which I have discussed here. Last one, ropeway. Ropeway is the another way for the industries where there is no connectivity of road, there is no waterway is possible, but connecting one valley to another valley by connecting the chain on the and the trolley on the different peaks and the hills connecting to each other in so many minerals process, mines, quarries, carrying the heavy stone, the trolleys are used. So in that way the transportation service is connected with so many parts. But main, the pipeline, I again want to indicate no traffic jam, very cheaper and easy to transport for liquid and fluid and gases. In Hazira, Gujarat, in Assam, for transporting oil, the pipeline is used. In Bihar, in Uttar Pradesh, and in Haryana also, transporting through pipeline is possible for only gaseous aspects and petroleum aspects. Okay, friends, so here I discussed and completed chapter number 2 of our syllabus. Okay, friends.